Excuse me, is this table available?
Yes, ma'am. Please, have a seat. You came alone?
Yes, just me tonight. It's quiet in here.
Quiet evenings are rare here. Would you like the menu?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here you go. Today's special isn't written there. It's something new from the chef.
Oh, really? What is it?
The chef calls it the midnight dish. He only serves it to special guests.
That sounds mysterious. What's in it?
It's a surprise. You'll only know after you taste it.
Maybe I'll stick with something normal.
Of course. Would you like to start with a drink?
Just water, please. Cold.
Right away. By the way, visiting this town for the first time?
Yes. How did you know?
You looked around like someone seeing new things.
You're observant. Do you always study your customers?
Only when they seem interesting.
That's a strange thing for a waiter to say.
Maybe. Or maybe it's just my way of being friendly.
Friendly or curious.
Maybe both. Here's your water. What would you like to eat?
What do you recommend?
The pasta's good, but if you want something unforgettable, the midnight dish is waiting.
You make it sound like a secret.
Maybe it is.
All right, I'll take the pasta. Bread and salad too, please.
Got it. If you change your mind about the special, just call me.
Ryan, who ordered the pasta?
Table 5.
Ah, table 5. Are you sure she doesn't want the special?
She said no. For now.
Interesting. Did your chef just say interesting?
He likes to sound dramatic. Don't worry.
You both make this feel like a movie.
Maybe tonight will be one.
Here you go. Pasta with basil and fresh tomatoes. Enjoy. It smells great. Delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
It tastes different, like there's something extra in it.
Maybe the chef added a little of his magic.
Magic? Are you sure this isn't the midnight dish?
What if it is?
Wait, are you serious?
Relax. Just a joke. Or maybe not.
You're impossible to read.
That's part of the charm.
I'll just take the bill, please.
You might want to check under your napkin.
Under my... Gosh, a note?
I didn't put it there.
It says, "The truth is served at midnight." The chef is saying, "Ryan, table 5, tell her the dish was special after all." What?
I guess you did order the midnight dish.
That's not funny. What's going on?
Just a restaurant tradition.
I've lost my appetite.
Don't be afraid. The truth doesn't hurt. It only reveals.
Enough. I'm leaving.
You will return. Everyone does.
Goodbye, Ryan.
Good night, Miss Emma. Remember, midnight comes for everyone.
She left?
Yes,
Then the next guest will arrive soon.
I will prepare the table.